Google is a tech giant, but concerns over privacy and data tracking have led users to search for better alternatives. Brave Search is a privacy-focused search engine that does not track your searches or collect personal data. Why choose Brave Search? It offers no tracking, a built-in ad blocker, and unbiased results on all devices. Proton Mail is an end-to-end encrypted email service based in Switzerland, protecting your emails from unwanted access. Why choose Proton Mail? It provides zero-access encryption, no ads, and self-destructing messages. Nextcloud is a self-hosted cloud storage solution, allowing users to store and share files securely. With Nextcloud, you have complete control over your data, strong encryption, and document collaboration. DuckDuckGo is a search engine that does not track users, offering a fast, private, and ad-free experience. DuckDuckGo blocks ads and trackers, ensuring private browsing at all times. Tuta is a secure, end-to-end encrypted email service designed to protect your privacy. Tuta features complete encryption, no ads, and seamless use across all platforms. These 5 apps offer powerful privacy-focused alternatives to Google, enhancing user experience in 2025. Which of these apps do you think is the best alternative to Google? Let us know in the comments.